Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin seamlessly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Uphold. Verification is key for security and to avoid any hiccups. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin balance. Ensure you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option under your Bitcoin wallet on Binance. You'll need to select the Bitcoin network, like BTC or another compatible one, depending on Uphold's requirements in 2025. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then copy the Uphold wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. Now, switch over to your Uphold account. Go to the Deposit section and select Bitcoin. You'll get a unique wallet address. Paste this into the withdrawal form on Binance. Double-check that the networks match. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm on Binance and wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this might only take a few minutes. After the transfer, check your Uphold account to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Blockchain confirmations can vary. Finally, keep an eye on any fees. They can add up, so plan accordingly. There you have it. Transferring Bitcoin from Binance to Uphold is simple once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.